Good evening, Jim, AG6IF here, Southern California, Friday night. A friend of mine was working on his IRLP node, and I wanted to do a quick video of how to check and adjust your pulse behavior on your IRLP node. When your IRLP node has a problem with pulsing, it creates an extra key up after every transmission comes in. And if two pulsing IRLP nodes happen to join a reflector, they will pulse back and forth, ping-ponging each other, and it will tie up the channel. It'll make all the repeaters basically pretty much unusable. The way you do this is you log into your IRLP node as repeater, and there's a file called Pulsecheck. You run Pulsecheck from the command prompt. I'm going to do that now. First, it's going to key the radio up for 5 seconds and then release and listen for a pulse. Then it will key the radio for, I believe, 3 seconds and listen for a pulse. If it finds one, it will give you instructions on how to adjust it. The default value is 150 if there's no pulse. But if there is a pulse, it will give you a value that needs to be entered into Home IRLP custom timing into that file. The way you get it into that file, in previously videos I've shown you how to do it with Nano, but really what you want to do is you want to use the web browser. I'm going to show you that here. Here's the web browser for my IRLP node. So you point your web browser at your IRLP node's IP address and log in, and this is the screen you're going to get. And what's really neat down here is an edit file button, and there's a number of files in here, and the one you want is timing. So this is how you could edit your environment file or whatever. So timing, and if you recall back on the Pulsecheck output at the command line, it said the second number should be 150. So if that's different, go ahead and change it. Mine is already 150, but using your keyboard, just change that value in the second line. When you're done, you come down to the bottom, there's a submit button, press that, and then you can recheck. It says success. I didn't change mine, but it's success. It wrote the file. Return to index. Alright, so this is the little web page that is in the front end of the IRLP system. And then go back to Pulsecheck and check it again and make sure that it's clean. If that will solve your pulse problem, or it should solve your pulse problem. So very good. Thanks for watching. And this is Jim, AG6IF, and saying 73. Take care.